Hi. In this tutorial we are going to do a step-by-step guide how to install on a mobile an application developed for Android, using Kivy and a Linux operating system. As you probably know, Kivy is an open-source Python language software library aimed at rapid application development. Kivy is cross-platform, running on Linux, Windows, OS X, Android, iOS, and Raspberry Pi. Therefore, you can run the same code on all supported platforms. In order to accomplish this task, the first step is to install the buildozer tool. Buildozer is a tool that automates the entire process of building the package for installation. It downloads and configures all prerequisites for Python for Android, including Android SDK and NDK, and then creates an APK that can be automatically uploaded to the device. To install buildozer, clone the repository on GitHub. After that, enter the buildozer directory and run the install command as shown. After that, update the packages and install other tools used by buildozer. Edit the shell initialization file to add the path from the local bin directory to the path environment variable. In this case we have edited the .bashrc file. Another important requirement is that the cell phone is connected to a computer's USB port. The device must be in developer mode and USB debugging enabled. If not, on your device, open Settings, select Developer Options, and turn on USB debugging. The device must also be connected in file transfer mode. Now that the prerequisites have been met, let's install the app. Go to the directory where your application is and run the command buildozer init. This command creates the buildozer.spec file that contains the specifications for building the application. You must edit this file specifying the properties of your application. Let's list some properties of buildozer.spec file. In the title option, the user defines the title of the application. Avoid long titles and special characters as problems can occur on some platforms. In the option package.name, the user defines the name of the application package. It's just a single word with ASCII characters and numbers. Cannot contain special characters. The package domain is a string that references the company or individual who made the application. The app name added to the domain is the app identifier for Android and iOS. Therefore, it must be chosen carefully. An example would be com.xyz. Another important property is the requirements. It's a list of the requirements the application needs to run. Shown here is an example of requirements. Another important property is the Android.permissions. It's a list of the permissions the application needs to run. We also have Android.api, and Android.sdk options. These options set the API and SDK versions that will be used by the application. After the settings we are ready to build and deploy. Run this command below. buildozer-v android debug deploy run. If you want to debug, run the following command as shown. We have reached the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching and I hope it was helpful. Click on the like button if you like it. Subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this.